welcome to this instruction video on DualSoft Field, and in this video I will be talking about the submenus of map and info, and the submenus that I'll be focusing on this video is the horizontal alignment submenu and the confirm horizontal alignment submenu. Okay, so now let's get started with DualSoft Field. When I've started DualSoft Field, when it asks me for a name, I'm going to leave the name as it is, select job. As you know from the previous video, we were working on a job called map and info, so I'm still going to be working on that job. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see here on current job, the current job is map and info. I'm just going to select OK to continue on this current job. And when I come to the job task menu, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select map and info. And under map and info, the submenus that we'll be talking about on this video is the horizontal alignment submenu and the confirm horizontal alignment submenu. From the previous video that I was doing, we had already imported PIs, VPIs, crossfalls, and everything that you would need to define an alignment of a roadway. So now, what we're going to be doing now is checking on the horizontal alignment and confirming that horizontal alignment. So to check the horizontal alignment or to input it, if you were to input it manually, you would select horizontal alignment. So this data that you're seeing here is the data that we had imported. So this data can be imported either through a CSV file, a text file, XML file, a PID file, or a PR3 file. But what we did is copy it from an existing job, and it was copied directly to this job that we're working on. So the PI information, if you want to view it, you just select on that point. So the first point here, this is the starting point, and you have the coordinates of that starting point. And on the starting point, there isn't any radius or transition. Okay. So these are your PIs that form part of your alignment. So if you select each and every PI, you will be able to know the coordinates of the point of intersection, and we've also given it a name. So this is the point of intersection number 1 and the radius of the curve at that point of intersection. Okay, and on this point of intersection there isn't a transition in and out. So you can see through all this data. So that's from point of intersection number 1 up until number 11. And all these points of intersections have different coordinates, radiuses, as per the design of the roadway that we are working on. We are here. Okay, so this is the end point of the horizontal alignment. Okay. Now we're going to go out. So now we are able to see all the points of intersection that we have imported, and if you wanted to do this manually, you'd select add and put in all the PIs that you want, and you'll be able to define the PIs manually as per your design dictates. Okay, so that in short is what the horizontal alignment submenu does. It allows you to input the horizontal alignment data manually, as well as view data that has been imported. Okay, now let's go back and let's go to the confirm horizontal alignment. So what confirm horizontal alignment does is it will take your starting point and your ending point. Those are your start, that's your end, and that's the start, as well as all the PIs that you have defined in the job. And what it will do is it will calculate by itself the beginning of each curve and where each curve is. So as you can see here at chainage 249.016, that is where we have a curve that is beginning there, and it will end at chainage 293.35, continuing like that and so on. So what this helps you do is from your design, you're able to check and compare the horizontal alignment as per your design and as to what DualSoft has set the horizontal alignment from your PI. So you're able to check, okay, this is what I've inputted, and now you can check on DualSoft field and confirm that, okay, the data that I've inputted is giving me results that are consistent with what my design has. So that, in short, is what you are able to see and with confirm horizontal alignment. And that, in short, is what I have for you on this video on the submenus horizontal alignment and confirm horizontal alignment. Thank you.